Hello everyone, welcome to Doyan Screen Printing Equipment Co. Ltd. Do you know how to create a super soft high foaming imitation embroidery effect with a strong sense of design? Today, we will unveil the core technology and equipment of this process for you. It was independently developed by our Doyan Silk Screen Printing Company. 18. Color 60 Workstation Intelligent Elliptical Machine created. The core production steps include 1. Mixing 60% of 999 high elastic white and 888 transparent fluid with 40% of 858 super soft high foaming print, twice for 1 time, total 3 times. 2. Bake at 50°C in the oven for 7-8 seconds. The key to achieving high quality super soft high foaming imitation embroidery effect. It lies in precisely controlling the thickness of the slurry and the drying rhythm. Our 18 color 60 station elliptical printing machine with intelligent control system and efficient production capacity, balancing artistic effect and production